Today I want to talk about what a scrub is and why you would use it. So a scrub is an exfoliating product that you would use 1 to 3 times a week. And its main purpose is to get the dead skin cells off the surface of the skin so that you can have better absorption of your serums and creams. Our scrubs include clays to help detoxify the skin, a lot of different skin brightening botanicals along with the exfoliant ingredients. So you're gonna have these other nice effects from using this scrub in terms of brightening your skin and just bringing back that radiance in your skin. Scrubbing also stimulates the skin and kind of activates it and perks it up. So that's another nice benefit of using a scrub. You want to apply the scrub to wet skin, and then you will just work it in all around the face, paying particular attention to any areas of concern. A lot of people like to scrub a little more deeply around their nose area or areas that might be high oil producing spots. And you don't leave this on as a mask. It's a wash and a scrub in one, so it's gonna cleanse your skin as well as exfoliate. So you'll do this for about 10 to 15 seconds and then just rinse. The scrubs are best when they're used in the shower because you can get a more thorough rinse easier, but they can be used in the sink as well. And they do combine nicely with our face washes if you want to get a product that's in between strength between a face wash and a scrub. You can mix them half and half in the palm of your hand and have a lighter feeling scrub. We hope you have the opportunity to try these products. You're really gonna love how they make your skin glow.